Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are good. So, kids, in today's class, we will learn how to form a word problem, and that word problem we will categorize in three categories, that is, using measurement, using object, and using time. After learning this concept of formation of word problems, you will able to solve your next exercise, in which you have only the numerical figures and you have the hint that make make the word problem using measurement, using object, and using time. So let us learn that how to make it. The very first example that you can see is 141 plus 103. Now I'll let you know how to form a word problem using measurement, like if we are using any measuring quantity. So let us see. In A part, the weight of my bike is 141 kg and that of my scooter is 103 kg. Find the total weight of both. Now you can see, using of measurement, bike weight of bike and scooter is the formation of the sum that is 141 plus 103. You can change it also, like the weight of you is 30 kg and the weight of your mother is suppose 50 kg. So what is the total weight of the both of you and of your mother? So using measurement you can form these type of word statements. Then you can see here we have another example also in part B, where John travelled 141 kilometer to Karnal by car and 103 kilometer to Panipat by bus. How much distance did John travelled altogether? Means the distance is given that John travelled by car and by bus. Now the distance that he travelled in total, because here you have 141 plus 103, that means you have to add, you have to make sum. So you can make any statement, but just make sure that if it is using measurement, then you are using measuring quantity like kgs, kilometers, centimeter, meter. Okay, and then at the last you have to write like find the total weight, total distance, total material used, in which you are using the measuring units. Similarly, in C part, you can see Rita used 141 centimeter of white ribbon to decorate the classroom. Anita used 103 centimeter of red ribbon towards the decoration. What was the total length of the ribbon used by both of them? Now you can see she has used white ribbon and Anita used red ribbon. So in total also, to get the answer, you will just add 141 and the next, that is 103, and this is the requirement of your question, in which you have to show 141 plus 103. So you will form a word problem. I hope this is clear to everyone. Then we have another category, that is using object. We have the same digits 141 plus 103 and we need to show that how we will make the statement using object. So let us see. Mohan had ordered 141 samosas and 103 pastries for his birthday party. Right. Find the total number of items ordered. So, Mohan had ordered 141 samosas and 103 pastries for his birthday party. So, the total number of items ordered will be 141 and 103. So, in this case also, what you have done, you have used the objects, eatable things, eatables, and to get the total answer, to get the total items, you just need to add 141 and 103. So in this way you have learnt that how to form a word problem using measurement and using object. Now we will learn that how to make a word problem using time. So let us start. Now two workers A and B together spent some time on doing embroidery on a sari. Worker A spent 103 hours to finish the embroidery and worker B took 141 hours. Calculate the time taken by both the workers to complete the sari. Now here you can see that both the workers took different time, because we have to frame a word problem using time. So you can change this, like one student has taken 2 hours to complete the work, whereas other student has taken 1.5 hours to complete the work. So to get the total hours that they spent doing their work, in for that answer again you will add. So you are not bounded that you have to write statements like this only. You just see the question and accordingly you can make your statement. Just keep the things in your mind that using measurement you are to use the units like weight, kg, then for distance kilometer, and then length centimeter, meter. And when you are using object you are taking the things, like he has ordered for his birthday party, and using the time you can take hours. So let us see the last example that is given. Monica and Uma were together given a task to prepare a PowerPoint presentation. Uma worked 141 days and Monica worked 103 days to complete the job. Calculate the total number of days taken by both to complete the PowerPoint presentation. Now here you can see that in example E we have used hours, and in the last example we have used days. Similarly, if you are forming the statement using time, then you can use months and years also. It depends on you that which unit would you like to take. So I hope this concept of formation of word problems is clear to everybody. So now I'm just sending one part of these 3 questions. That means you are to frame 3 word problems. One will be using measurement, then object, and then using time. So just make it, try to make it, and then send your answers. Thank you. Have a nice day.